Hello, folks. Hello, Casey boy. Not a bad day. Freezing this morning when we were up. We're melting now. It's been raining most of the morning. We got more rain coming in. More rain coming in. We thought we'd take a walk down by the river. See what's up down there. So he must be in bed. There's usually a dog in the window here, barking his head off. So yeah, that's crunchy. Still icy, but it's melting. It's melting. It's clear for the most part. Probably not going to be too clear where we're going. Well, that doesn't look too bad. I thought this was going to be a sheet of ice here. So, I'd be lucky. It looks like it's going to get messy as we go. But it's going to get messy as we go. Kids. I don't know. Well, we'll do it. We'll get her doing. Hey, Casey boy. Huh? He's a good boy. He let me sleep in a whole half hour today. He must have been tired. He's been eating funny lately. He'll wait and eat his dinner later. We've cut out the table snacks. It ruins his dinner. Anyways, guys, have a good one.